Hello everyone, I am officially on day 5 of the beginner's baby steps to the FlyLady system. As of day 4, I have every single day, I have gotten up, gotten dressed, I'm wearing my inside shoes. I've kept the sink shiny at some point in the day. Now you're supposed to do it at night so you wake up to it. It is it is 2 in the afternoon on day 5 and my sink is a little fuzzy here, but my sink's a little not shiny. And I'll tell you why. I'm a queen of excuses, but also I had a meeting in the evening last night, and then afterwards ran to the store to get by the time I got home, we had dinner and got ready for bed. There just wasn't time to get that done. But I'm changing it today. I'm getting back on it. I really am dedicated to doing this system, but only focusing on keeping my sink clean and the baby steps, literally, again, I don't want to harp. But this is supposed to be like baby steps, but I don't feel like there's any progress on my house at all. Not only is my sink still full, which, yes, case in point is my fault because I did not shine my sink last night. I shined it in the middle of the day. The rest of my house is a disaster because I'm only doing I'm following the baby steps. And by day 5, I'm not doing anything other than cleaning my gosh darn sink. So this might be, again, I got very frustrated very early on with this system the first time I tried it. And here again, we have not even finished the week, and I am again very frustrated because I'm not seeing anything on my, that is working on my house. I don't see any difference. Now, the comments, I'm believing everybody's comments. I believe in you all. So I'm sticking this out, but again, I'm getting frustrated. So her message is not to have a negative mind. And I'm also going to just read what it says. Are you hearing any nagging negative voices in your head? Just about your website right now. Things like you'll never be able to do this or that, or you don't deserve a clean and happy, inviting home. I do want a clean and happy, inviting home. Okay, the only negative thing I have right now is I'm on day 5 and I only know how to shine my sink and wear shoes in the house. I said that a little aggressive, more aggressive than I intended. She's telling me I have negative thoughts about having a dirty home. No, I really just am following your system to learn how to have a clean home, and I haven't learned how to have a clean home. I've learned how to have a clean sink. I'm on day 5. I've committed to doing 31 days, and I really hope by day 31 I look back on this and I say, oh, Allie, you were so silly. So day 5, I have to write down on a piece of paper, turn ugly words around and say something nice to yourself to negate the ugly words that has been said. You deserve happiness. I agree with that. Everyone deserves happiness, and however you need to find it, you need to find it. Once you turn those negative words into positive phrases, I want you to put them where you can see them often. With that being said, I'm on day 5. I'm gonna go and shine my sink right now. I'm gonna tidy my kitchen, which kind of seems to just go along with shining your sink. But with that, I gotta vacuum, I gotta do stuff. I'm going into a weekend and I don't wanna live in a messy, chaotic house. So I'm actually, the one thing I do know that we do in FlyLady at some point, maybe I'm learning about that in the next few days, is you set a timer. I'm gonna set a timer for 45 minutes. I am going to power through, clean as much as I can. I have to vacuum, and I'm gonna get as much of everything else done as I can, including shining my sink. But I'm setting a timer for 45 minutes. So we're on day 5. This isn't the FlyLady's baby step. This is just my own sanity. I need to have some structure. I'm literally doing what I'm being told to do, but in following the system, I haven't been told to do anything else in my house. But a woman of sane mind, I'm gonna get my stuff done. So come along with me. I'm gonna do the dishes quick, and since that seems to be my life, so come along with me as I clean. and at least I'm feeling comfortable having added in my own 45 minutes of tidying. So I am anxious to see where this is gonna take me. I'm anxious to overcome my already preconceived notions of this program. I am powering through. So thank you for sharing your time with me today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.